How to fix the repost option not showing on TikTok, 2026 easy fix. Is your repost button missing on TikTok? Don't worry, this usually happens due to app settings, outdated versions, or account limitations. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your TikTok version. Open the Play Store or App Store. Search for TikTok. Tap Update if available. Outdated apps often hide new features like Repost. Step 2. Clear TikTok cache. Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then TikTok, then Storage, then Clear Cache. iPhone, open TikTok, then Profile, then Settings, then Free Up Space, then Clear Cache. This helps reset missing features. Step 3. Check your account type. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Account, then make sure your account is public. The repost option only works on public accounts. Private accounts cannot repost content. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Open TikTok, then tap Profile, then Settings, then Log Out. Then log in again. This refreshes your account and often restores missing buttons. Step 5. Reinstall TikTok. If nothing else works, uninstall the TikTok app, reinstall the latest version, log in again. This solves most feature-related glitches. Click Summary. Update app, clear cache, make account public, log out in, reinstall app. After these steps, the repost button should appear again and you can share content easily.